We've played a few games so far.
So that means it's a critical hit.
Oh god. I'm going to die.
Okay. And then this one's a critical.
Just hold it. My nipples are very funny. I'm
Yes, that is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. This one here. So it's like a sexy. There we go.
Oh my god.
Let's just keep walking, I suppose. He is making like portable tables for people. Oh, cool.
So he wants to, it's all crowdfunding. He seems to be doing really well. It's really cool.
So did you play Pokemon at all then?
A little bit, like not really.
Yeah.
Like the more I'm sort of doing now, like at this point in my life, I'm sort of reflecting back and thinking like, I think it was more the collecting side of it. Like it's what I did with Warhammer.
Yeah.
It's part of like I do with D&D minis now as
Yeah.
well. Like it's not to play with them, but like
it's just to
also,
have them. Yeah.
Yeah, the process of.
That's nice, man. Mate, I loved Yu-Gi-Oh.
Did you? I did.
I love you.
Yu-Gi-Oh was my shit, man.
Whoa.
More than Pokemon for me, Yu-Gi-Oh.
Me too.
Yeah. Like Yu-Gi-Oh. Oh, Pegasus, man. Pegasus is the coolest. Kaiba.
So all of those sixes explode.
Yeah.
So,
Including the fake one. Wait, now what does that mean?
so that means it's a critical hit.
Oh god. What are sixes?
Please.
Sixes? I failed both of those.
Okay.
I'm going to die. I got an outdoor sort of tree
Oh, everyone's
sort of
got
cut
outdoory
down.
things.
I mean, I've got everything, so none
You've
of
got
mine
everything.
matter.
Right.
With a tree.
I'm sorry, it's not right.
Oh, boo! We've played a few games so far, and that was it Mysterium? That game?
Mysterium, yeah, that was
We
really good.
really like that game. It's like a version of Dixit with like a murder mystery, psychic, weird vibe with it. I really love that one. I'm also keeping a close eye on. There's a couple of role-playing games we've seen already. But,
Yeah, I think once we've seen the rest of the room and maybe into the next, commit to some.
some financial purchases. That I get that. Yeah.
So the way the game works is on the model's like data sheet or like Intel
Yeah.
records, they have what's called an attachment type.
Okay, cool.
So if models have the same attachment type
Yeah.
and they're in proximity, so in coherency of 2 inches,
Yeah.
they count as one attachment. 3D modeling myself. So
That guy's system was amazing. Like, it's similar to 40k, but a little bit different. And I think 40k can sometimes be a bit too overwhelming, so having something that's a bit smaller scale, a bit more skirmishy, was exactly there. Just so slick and cool and like cyberpunk, and I loved it.
Oh my god, Tom, they've got a picture of you.
This is such a community and story-focused group, and I think that's something that, with the upsurge of interest and wider interest, like I think lockdown had a huge thing to do with it.
It did.
But us trying to find stories as humans to connect with each other over.
So speaking personally,
Yeah.
with an autistic background, this is the way I connected to things. Yeah. This is the way I connected with the world when I grew up. Was through Warhammer, was through board games, Risk, etc. And I think that is why I love this. That is why I'm really excited about some of the stuff we're doing. It's because it's exactly how I connected with the world. This is what I want to show and help other people